Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of investing? Are you struggling to understand how to get started with building wealth in 2026? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, beginners no longer need to wade through endless spreadsheets and outdated advice. In 2026, investment tools are smarter, faster, and more accessible than ever before. But how can you take advantage of these game-changing tools? The key is finding systems that not only protect your capital but also uncover hidden opportunities to grow your wealth. Stick around because in this video we'll explore the top 5 smart investment tools every beginner should be using in 2026 to make their investment journey smoother and more profitable. 1. Agentic Copilot Tools. In 2026, investing is no longer just about looking at data, it's about making data work for you in real time. Enter the Agentic AI Copilot tools like Composer.trade or Tally. These tools are designed to take all the complexity out of investing by automatically managing your portfolio according to the logic you set. Forget about manually researching and executing trades. These tools allow you to give simple, natural language commands. For example, you could tell your AI, if the AI sector dips by 5%, but energy remains steady, move 10% of my cash into solar ETFs. And just like that, the tool builds the code and executes the trade for you. It's like having a personal financial assistant that works 24/7 without any emotional bias. The biggest benefit for beginners? It eliminates the emotional panic sell that happens when markets dip, sticking to a predetermined strategy that you've already set during calm hours. With this system, you're empowered to make smarter, logic-based decisions, which are crucial for long-term success. Why is this tool so helpful for beginners? As a beginner, the emotional roller coaster of investing can often lead to poor decisions. But with the Agentic AI Copilot, you eliminate the stress of market volatility and ensure that you are sticking to your financial strategy, no matter what's happening in the market. This tool is a great way to get started without needing to have years of market experience. Moreover, these tools can also adapt to your evolving goals over time, learning from past decisions to optimize your strategy, ensuring that your investments are always aligned with your long-term financial vision. 2. Multi-chain yield aggregators. In 2026, interest rates for digital assets are constantly fluctuating. With multi-chain yield aggregators, platforms like Yearn or Beefy are here to help you maximize your returns without needing to keep track of the constantly changing rates across multiple platforms. These tools act like a smart bucket for your money, automatically finding the best interest rates in the market. Here's how it works. You deposit your funds into the aggregator and the tool takes care of the rest. It moves your funds between different regulated platforms every day to ensure that your capital is always earning the highest yield possible, based on the latest market data. For beginners, this is invaluable because it saves you time, eliminates the need to research every single platform, and ensures that you're always getting the best return on your money. All of this happens in the background so you can focus on building other parts of your wealth, without worrying about constantly tracking rates. How does this help beginners? For those just starting out, constantly checking and comparing interest rates can feel like a never-ending task. The multi-chain yield aggregator automates this for you, making sure your money works for you 24/7, earning the highest rates available. Plus, you don't need to have any previous experience to take advantage of this tool. It's all about maximizing your returns without the hassle. Over time, this can significantly grow your wealth without requiring your active involvement, making it an ideal tool for both newcomers and seasoned investors alike. 3. Digital twin simulators. Before you make any big financial decisions, it's important to know how they might play out over time. This is where digital twin simulators like Wealthfront Path or Retirable come into play. These tools use advanced Monte Carlo simulations to simulate your financial future in thousands of different scenarios. They ask, what if there's a recession in 2028? What if I lose my job next year? How will my retirement look if I continue on my current path? These tools create a digital replica of your financial situation and run simulations to predict how various events might affect your wealth. For beginners, this is crucial because it allows you to test your investment plans without actually risking your money. Instead of guessing whether your strategy will succeed, you can see it in action with real, data-backed simulations. The outcome? A stress test that tells you how safe your investments are and helps you plan with more confidence. One of the most nerve-wracking parts of investing is not knowing what will happen in the future. But with digital twin simulators, you get to see the potential future outcomes of your financial decisions. This is an amazing tool for beginners because it provides peace of mind, knowing that your investment strategy has been stress-tested under various scenarios. It's like having a crystal ball that helps you make more informed, confident decisions. 4. Direct indexing apps. Gone are the days when you had to choose between individual stocks and ETFs, exchange-traded funds. In 2026, direct indexing apps like Freetrade or M1 Finance 2.0 allow you to go one step further by investing directly in the underlying stocks of an index. Instead of buying one share of an S&P 500 ETF, these tools buy tiny fractions of all 500 individual stocks for you. Why is this important? Direct indexing lets you perform tax loss harvesting on a much more granular level. For example, if 10 stocks in your index drop in value while the rest rise, these apps automatically sell the losers to offset your taxes and replace them with better performing stocks. This can save you thousands in hidden tax costs, which is particularly beneficial for beginners who may not understand the complexities of tax laws surrounding investments. These apps give you the tax advantages of traditional investing while giving you the flexibility of managing your portfolio with much more control. For beginners, tax optimization can be an overwhelming concept. Direct indexing apps take care of this for you, making sure you're not overpaying on taxes and are maximizing your returns. It also simplifies the whole process of diversification, without having to manually choose stocks. This tool can help you manage your investments with ease and ensure you're making the most out of your portfolio. Additionally, it offers you more customization and better control over your financial future, enabling you to build a portfolio tailored to your specific goals. 5. Verified copy vaults. The concept of social investing has evolved into something much more powerful in 2026, smart contract copying. Platforms like Zignally or eToro Smart Portfolios allow you to copy the trades of verified high-performing investors with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. You link your wallet to an expert investor's account, and every time they make a trade, your account mirrors it instantly in proportion to your balance. It's like getting mentorship through action. For beginners, this is an incredible tool because it lets you learn as you earn. You get to watch exactly how professionals navigate the markets, while your investments grow based on their strategies. You don't need to know all the ins and outs of investing. Instead, you can focus on growing your wealth by leveraging the expertise of seasoned investors. This allows you to dive into the world of investing without the steep learning curve or the constant guesswork. Copy vaults provide the perfect solution for beginners who want to benefit from the expertise of seasoned investors without having to learn everything from scratch. You essentially get to shadow the pros, learning their strategies while your investments grow. This is a fantastic way to get started in the market with confidence and ease. There you have it, the top 5 smart investment tools every beginner should use in 2026. These tools are not just about making your investments easier, they are about making your money work smarter. From AI-powered copilots to digital twins and verified copy vaults, these tools are transforming how we manage and grow our wealth. The best part? They allow you to build a solid financial foundation without needing to become a professional investor. So, if you want to start making smarter investment decisions and take your financial journey to the next level, these tools will help you do just that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies on how to succeed in the world of finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.